Hello, this video is going to go over how to create a Blackboard Collaborate room inside of Canvas. So when you log into Canvas, you're going to go to your course's homepage and select the Blackboard Collaborate tab in the left-hand navigation. This will bring you to the Blackboard Collaborate interface within Canvas. As you can see under the Sessions tab, there is a link on the top right-hand side to create session. All you have to do is fill out the name. I always recommend to do the name of the course followed by something like virtual meeting room. So let's say this is MGT 609. I would just write MGT 609 virtual meeting room. Or you can do weekly meeting room, whichever works best for your course. You don't have to worry about the start and end time. This can be open for the duration of the semester. It is essentially like you are creating an empty office space where students can join and yourself can join at any time. All you have to do at this point is just select Create Session. Just to explain some of the details here, you have the participant dial-in, which would be for the students, and then your moderator dial-in, which is for yourself. This is a way to access the audio when in the Blackboard room. The more popular method is to use the computer's audio to listen in and to speak using the microphone. However, you can also dial in. Please note that you can also find these numbers within the live session itself. Something to keep in mind is that these are not 800 numbers, so that is something to note for the plan that you have for your phone that you'd be looking to use if you choose this method of audio for connecting to the session. There is a guest link here, and this is what you can copy and send via email to a guest speaker. So this is useful for someone who is not in the course and also does not have Stephen's credentials. You can send your guest speaker this link. And in order to join the session, you would just go ahead and select Join. The students will actually see this same interface, so all they have to do as well is just select this room. They will get this pop-up and then they'll just choose Join to enter the session. So I'm going to enter the room now to show you how it opens. So we're going to select Join. And then from here, you're going to be asked to open up with Java. The number one problem people have with accessing Blackboard Collaborate, whether it is an instructor or a student, is that Java is not up to date on the person's machine. So this is always a good test. I also tell people that if they're having a hard time figuring out why they cannot join, try a different browser. So if you are in Firefox, try to jump to Google Chrome to see if maybe the browser is going to tell you something different that you need or your computer needs to proceed. But here I already have Java installed, so I'm going to select OK. And you're going to get several pop-ups letting you know that the application is starting and then asking you, are you sure you want to run this application, which you will then select Run. There is one more screen that usually appears that will ask you what connection you are using, and I am using wireless at this time, so I had already selected that, so that's why it remembered my setting. But you'll go ahead and choose which internet connection you are using. So now I'm logged in, and this is what the interface will look like. And you can get a complete walkthrough of the interface by going to our overview session of Blackboard. Just to show you one more item within the interface, the Recordings tab is actually going to be where all the recordings are held. So when you start and stop your recording, you will be able to go to this area to see it within a few hours of the session. This concludes the tutorial. Thank you for watching.